black girl, I'm mad thing. Someone don't know. Brother, they so. You know what I mean, like, camera. But someone don't remember them game here back in the days. You know the Mortal comeback and them thing there. Right now we are set up on. We're up on the pool table. Right, this is the control for the front part. It's supposed to look like this when we're done. Right now we are set up on for the kids, you see me? So I'll just write this over there for now. And I'm going to see like clippings. Basically, when it's done, I just say so with it for now. You see me? A mad thing. This bring back so much memories.
Well, I credit you take from where.
No, I say what them like it cause
yeah, but you don't do nothing. Oh, you take grab a screw or something.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, that's it. Everything says. Oh, look at the board. So vlog world, the game finally finished. As you can see, we done run some game this bad. This bad. If my brother Bill want affiliate link in the description, I will go leave it so we can get one of them game here. If we don't want one. Because I know someone will ask me where we get this thing. We're not going to look down in the description if we end up here. He bad, watch out. Bad, bad. So vlog girl, right now we do out in Atlanta, on the bike then. I'm going to get some little clippings because I can't ride here some video. Because I don't know enough ride I'm there, bugu in my nose. I don't know enough ride I'm there, so we're there. Vlog in Atlanta. A mad thing. So vlog girl, right now we just unpark up the bike. Let me just move the truck again. We're there, I did for vlog. That little ride out there was fun, I'm not gonna lie. The audio probably has switch on because I touched my headphone a while ago, so the audio probably mess up, but I have to do this again. So ride the bike and thing park up over there, so we are doing it for vlog, so stay tuned. Alright vloggers, so watch out, I'm going to see something you never see before. 1 foot him off.
One of that, man.
1 foot. You don't think I lie, look. No foot, no over there, so. Look where I'm going to do. Running forward back. See 1 foot out there, so stop the bike. You think I lie, wait till you wheel it.
Yeah, what I just said.
Oh, nah, really. Nah, really. You want to catch him out really, but nah, really. I'm going to park at the bike. I see him on the meter right there. 1 foot. I asked him if he wants him still.
Not one of them.
We out today.
She was calling.
So vlog will walk on a night now, late in the night. I just left from riding the bike in the city. And them a plan on ride me Saturday. I probably go Sunday.
Turn right. And then turn right.
We're at $49 now. I'm full up here. Yo, this suck gas, you know, me not lie to you. This suck gas, man. Hard car, but you want to find stop this, so I'm not put no more in there. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, who are going, Keela just forward from school. And we are planning our next video for them. I know we make a video and drop it on the page. I want to get the video like a deal yet. I don't know. Them video there was on my Instagram, but me I post them on my YouTube. Cause you know YouTube thing go, yeah. I'm not catching your Bigfoot.
You're bright,
So, catch a pre. Me I left tomorrow. So today I'm my last day. So my day I go chill with my fam. Get myself in a little bit of trouble. And then we back to Florida for escape weekend. And a mad thing, tell a friend for tell a friend. And then we are forward back to Atlanta. Cause we have a next party over here. With the clash with me and Slick White Line. Me and him go clash. We have a sound clash that come up in Atlanta. So all the Atlanta people them, While me did there, a couple of una asked me which part me the party and thing. Wanna see where I go? Rum punch. Me never too gonna other party otherwise than that. But yes, sir, when me I go there, the clash with me and Slick White Line. World dog go there, him go clash I-Octane and it was by Nuffy. So no, stay tuned for the clash there. The clash there go nice, me I tell you now. And remember, Escape Weekend. And this so me I go there. So me I fly back right now for God Friday after that. You see me? Tomorrow, not right now. Me keep on say right now. Tomorrow. Killer right there, so. I eat a lollipop. Always hide our face. And we are waiting on somebody for forward so we can go shoot our next video for you. So vlog girl right now. We're here. We're going to Aiden Karachi class. Me and Ailey, that's my next niece. My youngest niece, Ailey. And Keela sister this. Say hi, Ailey. Say hi. Tell him hi. Say hi. Got the kids today. And all that. You see Aiden? my son they not do this, you know. My son them all play soccer and them thing there.
It's so furry. Yes.
Ooh. So vlog girl right now we in a Dollar Tree. Come Ellie. Ellie, we in a Dollar Tree. I look makeup for do one little video real quick. Me have Ellie with me. Look on the outer show wall. And Keela there on this. So come Ellie. And then another island. Go look for makeup. You don't want it no more? She'll laugh. Ellie, look. Howdy. Check it. So vlog girl walk on. Me and Keela there here. Look on her eye. We just come back from Haley Karachi class. Aiden. Karachi class. Me have Haley right there, so she driving. A joke, she not drive. We reach home long time. And just do a video. And I go upload it right now. But me say, I have to video this, you know, because we vlogging.
I give myself a black eye.
Really?
I want to know what it feels
Say
like.
bye-bye. Tell him bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Are we doing it for the vlog? Kilo one got Starbucks.
Yes, yes.
We know nose. We like a camera. Kilo do our cheerleading practice. So vlog where me and Keela just done play Jenga. It was fun. She got in her bed right now. And I'm up on the phone chilling, you know. So you saw when we go end the vlog. Soon tomorrow again with the next vlog. Oh, they are doing it for the vlog. I'm mad thing.
My mother used to say, yeah, watch out for bad mind friends. Yeah. And daddy did used to say, watch out for people when not used to things. What them used to say, I thought me used to that. People can't change, so me not change them.